Hello my friends and welcome to another exciting episode of Tech Tuesday. For those of you who may not know me, my name is TheJoshuaHaynes, and every Tuesday I talk about technology to make your life a lot simpler. Today's no exception. I'm actually doing a follow-up video particularly only for Android users. Honestly, it's pretty unfortunate that the demand for this video was so high, but that's alright. I understand that you love your specs, your customization features with all your Android phones. So I'm not going to be judging you today. Today I'm actually going to be showing you how to set up your own I'm Getting Pulled Over shortcut using Google Assistant. Before I begin, it's also a great time to hit that subscribe button so that you're always notified and up to date whenever I post new Tech Tuesday videos. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Whenever you are stopped by the police, you only have seconds before they come to your vehicle. And of course, you don't want to be moving things around or look suspicious before then. So with this shortcut for Android, just by saying, "Hey Google, I'm getting pulled over," your phone immediately follows a chain of commands that secretly allows you to set your phone brightness to 0, send a text to your emergency contact, and discreetly start recording your video. These are all important features that every Android device should have set up. So if you're interested, without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is download the Google Home app on your phone. Once you've done this, you need to log into your account using either your Google email address or your Google credentials so that you're able to access and customize your features. So now let's set up your shortcut. The next thing you need to do is tap on Routines. Click Manage Routines and tap Add Routines. Under When, tap on Add Comments. Type in the command I'm getting pulled over and press OK. Under Assistant Wheel, tap Add Action. Next, tap on Browse Popular Actions. Scroll down and tap on Send a Text under the Communication section. Tap on the gear icon next to Send a Text and enter the number you wish to text in the field and enter your message. In this case, I put, "I am having an interaction with the police. Please check my Google photo for a video as my phone has started recording the incident." You could customize this for however you wanted to say, but you want to refer them to your Google Photos so that they have access to your video. Under your devices, tap on Put Phone on Silent. Tap Adjust Media Volume and tap on the gear icon next to Adjust Media Volume and adjust the slider to 0. Tap Add Action, enter the command Set My Screen Brightness to 0. Tap Add Action, enter that command. Tap Add again and tap Add Action and enter the command Do Not Disturb. Next, tap the Add Action yet again and enter the command Take a Selfie Video and tap Add. So after you've done all of these steps, I highly encourage you to test it out and try it out. Make sure everything is running smoothly just in case you actually need to use it in case of emergency. I encourage you to test it out, especially when you are sharing your Google video to your emergency contact. Make sure all your settings add up so that they actually have access to that video in case anything happens. Honestly, it's a little more work using your Android device to set up your shortcut compared to just downloading Siri's shortcut and customizing it to your preferences. But it's still a great feature. I encourage everyone with Android devices to use and set up on their phone. So I highly encourage you to set this up on your device and share this information with all your Android friends and family so we all can keep our community safe and accounted for. I hope this video is very helpful for all of you Android users. That's all I have for you for today. But if you like what you see, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're always notified when I post new content. But as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next week. Stay safe, stay informed, and stay hopeful. See you later.